I'm Mike.
Parvind.
Hi everyone, welcome to Deustche Bank Case Study Explained. Deustche Bank and Wells Fargo, an American multinational financial services company, were engaged in a systematic fraud where they made up to 2 million unauthorized customer accounts to boost their sales target. Deustche received $14 billion fine for mortgage-backed securities from U.S. Justice Department. It also fell to an all-time low after closing with losses of 6%.
What are the 5 key risks identified from the case above? The first risk is credit risk. Credit risk is the possibility of losses due to failure to pay the creditors on time. This is because due to light liquid suppliers are paid late. For instance, Deustche Bank unable to pay back the money to the creditor because of lack of capital asset. The second risk is liquidity risk. Liquidity risk is the risk of loss due to mismatch between cash inflow and cash outflow. Payable are paid faster than collection from receivables. Third risk is financial risk. Financial risk is a risk relating to the structure of finance of the organization. Financial risk also includes interest rate, risk of fraud, and misuse of funds. The fourth risk is reputation risk. Reputation risk is the loss of reputation caused because of the adverse consequences of another risk. The loss of reputation will be perceived by external stakeholders. The fifth and last risk is market risk. Market risk is the risk of loss to an adverse move in the market value of an asset. For example, overall decline in the market demand for the share.
As the Chief Risk Consultant, how would you advise the treasurer of a bank in preventing or reducing the downside impact of such unforeseeable risks from the case above? There is no escape from the presence of risk, and humanity must accordingly seek ways of dealing with it. Some risks generally is a fundamental nature are met through the collection effort of society and government. Although society and government can help alleviate the burden of risk in many areas, some risks are considered the responsibility of the individual. Given the vast array of risks faced by individuals and businesses and the variety of possible ways to deal with them, a systematic approach is needed in dealing.
I hope you enjoy the video.